Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers. We are in St Mary's Churchyard, Catcliffe. Major E. James, 62nd West Riding Battalion, Home Guard, died 8th of November 1942, aged 46. (1505302) Gunner Albert Allen Batty, died 3rd of March 1940, aged 21. We are at St Helen's Church, Treeton. (1052320) Reginald Irving PAYNE, aircraftman 2nd class, Royal Air Force, died 25th of September 1940, aged 31.
Reginald Irving PAYNE was born in Treeton. He volunteered for the RAF after initial training at Padgate. He was sent to Wittering, it is thought for a short radar course, and joined 23 Squadron at Middle Wallop. He was engaged on a night patrol in a Blenheim aircraft. During a flight the crew reported a rough running engine. The intention was to return to Middle Wallop, and on the approach, with flaps and undercarriage lowered, the aircraft stalled and crashed at Broughton, south of the airfield. All 3 crew were killed.
480 Sergeant Thomas William Cooper, York and Lancashire Regiment, died 10th of January 1915. D/JX362506 George Edwards, able seaman, died 25th of November 1944, aged 21. 13821, Charles Pearson, Coldstream Guards, died 4th of February 1919, aged 24. Also found Sydney Clarke, killed in action 23rd of August 1918, aged 19 years. Also found Private Reginald Tagg, killed in action July 1st, 1916. (18371) Private A. Percival, York and Lancaster Regiment, died 23rd of July 1916. (781-266) Driver Leonard Dickinson, Royal Field Artillery, died 9th of November 1920, aged 25. (12/1456) Private HEDLEY Chambers, York and Lancashire Regiment, died 4th of April 1918, aged 21. (981578) Gunner Leonard Smith, died 25th of April 1945, aged 25. (4625157) Private Charles Emery Clarke, the Duke of Wellington's Regiment, died 12th of January 1941, aged 29. (143-392) Gunner J. Green, Royal Garrison Artillery, died 28th of February 1919. (98806) Private R. Jackson, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 3rd of October 1918. (4841) Private Richard Smith, died 6th of July 1918, aged 39. (23690) Sergeant J. Gavins, Durham Light Infantry, died 7th of May 1920, aged 37. Also his brother 41373 Private F. Gavins, Northumberland Fusiliers, died 27th of December 1921, aged 35.